How do you make a working vending machine? How to make a working vending machine? Place concrete right over here and place a few bookshelves here, and then wrap it around with like concrete, and then get some glass. Okay. And now to clear these blocks, I want to dig one hole down. Put the dispenser facing this way. Okay. Built. I'm too lazy to put grass, so let's just put that there. So, and oh yeah, I forgot to put the golden apple. Put the golden apples inside, and then put a button. Any button of your choice, just put it. And now you got a working golden apple maker. Easy as hell.